Good morning to all. I am Mama Naik and today's my laptop topic is missile guidance system. So in this topic, I have some contents. So the contents are introduction, components, working, types of guidance system, advantages, disadvantages, and conclusion. So first of all, what is introduction? So it is self-propelled aerial projectile containing explosive guided either by remote control or internal mechanism. There are five categories are there. There is ground to ground, ground to air, air to surface, surface to air, and air to ground. Then based on the area operation, there are the many types of the three types of are most important. There are projectile, then the subtractile. Then based on the flight characteristic, it has aerodynamic and ballistic. Then after what is the component and use for the this missile. So there are four components are there. One is guidance. Means like a CPU, there is a heart. There is a mind of the computer. So like a the guidance is the mind of the missile. Then the control. It is execute the plans. Means execute the plans to the guidance. Then the armament. Armaments is the main part because by help of this we can launch the missile. Then propulsion. What is propulsion? Propulsion means the propose the missile, means firing or triggering the missile. After that, working. So the it is consist two separate parts. One is altitude control, then second is flight path control. Then what is altitude control? Altitude control means the it compares first the environment altitude and the rocket missile altitude, and after comparing that, what type of altitude the rocket and the missile is requirement, the missile internal mechanism is adjusting the altitude control. Then what is flight path control? You everyone know that. Then in flight path control, every aircraft is needed the flight path control. Means it is the air correction is occurred in flight path control, and the detection is occurred, and the what is the position of the target, it is occurred in the flight path control. Then there are three phases are there. One is boost phase, mid course, and terminal. So what is boost phase? In boost phase, there is a triggering when propulsion is occurred. Then after the mid course is not important part of all the missile, because there is a is according to the long distance and time, it is mid procedure, because the missile can't take the heavy load for a long distance. So if the required the long distance and it is the about for the long distance, then mid course is occurred in that case. Means a broken is missile is occurred in the mid course. Then terminal, it is the main phase, because the target is the terminal. So the what type of long distance and what type of target is there, that is depend on the terminal phase, because this is the last phase, and if the last stroke is occurred, then our mission is completed. After that, this is the picture of the guidance system, how it is work. There is a first picture, other in first picture there is no guidance system. So the and the mid course are occurred. The mid course after that is going to the target. But can you see that the missile is going through the downside? But our target is our enemy craft, but the enemy craft is not destroyed. Means this is only failed mission. But the second picture, when you come to second picture, in the second picture, there is a missile is the right path, means the angle is there in the missile and in the aircraft, and the missile mission is successful. So this is the difference between the what is the without the middle, without the guidance system, and with the guidance system. Then types of guidance. There are the many types of guidance, means inertial guidance, command guidance, beam radar guidance, homing guidance. Homing guidance are the three types: active guidance, semi-active guidance, and passive guidance. Then optronic guidance, then telecom guidance. Then advantages. So advantages is that it is flexible, then it is multi-services, then it is minimal training is required for this missile launching. Then disadvantages is poor maneuverability, then it is overload, then it is high cost. Then the applications are defense in enemy aircraft, underwater targets, then immediate battles. So there is a video is available for this, means how a missile is work. So this is the many types of missiles that works on. This is our target, and this is the 6 mile distance is there. And this is the missile. It goes through to the target like enemy target. It's an active radar system. Then it is our missile which containing the transmitter and the receiver, which helps to the controlling the flight path. So this is the when I according to my previous data, this is the mid course and terminal course. This is the types of the that homing, that active radar or semi-active radar. This is the internal mechanism. Here is the radar system is what that is called the active homing or semi-active homing. That the all homing is there in this system. This is a control system where they are controlling the missile. Like this, the target is finished, means aircraft is destroyed by our enemy. Then the conclusion. Guidance system is a complex system which involves several systems working in tandem. Development missile involves huge expenditures. Essential that guidance system is properly designed for accurate interception of the target. Thank you.